this is Linda, and welcome back to my channel. And welcome to my home. This is the first time I've shot a video in my house, and no mask. Imagine that. So I was telling all my friends that I was going to be making everyone on my Christmas list the same thing this year. And it all started because I have an affliction, and I can do that, or I can make that myself. And I should learn by now that when I go out and buy the material that I need to make what I want to make, it winds up costing me more money in the long run than if I just bought it in the first place. But it also gives me the satisfaction of, wow, I did that, and that's really cool. So I did a lot of research on YouTube, and there were lots of great videos on how to make these gnomes. So I'm really not going to get into that unless you want to see the parts that I made that are different. These gnomes, with all of the research I did, none of the gnomes that I saw online or on Etsy were me. So I decided to make these a little bit different, to make them Lynda. And most of my friends know that I am the type of person who pushes that envelope just a little bit farther, opens mouth, inserts foot, and I'm always getting myself into some kind of trouble. So these gnomes are definitely all about me doing exactly that. Basically what happened was I went to Joann Fabrics to get some of the material that I needed, like this beard hair. And the beard hair that I liked was on a 60-inch bolt of fabric. And you basically buy a quarter, all I bought was a quarter of a yard. I only need a 4x4 piece of hair to make these beards, but needless to say, I couldn't just buy a 4x4 piece. So I bought the 60-inch by 9-inch swatch of fabric. And that's why I had all this extra material, and I was making all my friends these gnomes. If you have an adult sense of humor, keep watching. But if you don't, I highly recommend that you turn the video off now, because I am going to show you why these gnomes are mine and what I did to make them different. And you must have an adult sense of humor. These little cuties are going to their forever home today. I hope that the new owners love them as much as I loved creating them. Each one has a very special secret. So as you can see, this little boy gnome, and the little girl gnomes too, have a little butt. Aren't they cute? These cute little butts. And the little boy gnomes, ha ha ha, there you go. These little boy gnomes are little boy gnomes. And that's what makes my gnomes different from any others. And just tuck that back in, and nobody's the wiser. And there we go. Gnomes, Lynda style. So I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And you know what? To give somebody a good laugh, why don't you share it on your Facebook or whatever, and that will help my channel up as well. And until next time, have a really healthy, joyous New Year. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.